Did you hear what BlackRock just pulled? That's right. The financial giant BlackRock is making some serious waves in the crypto world, especially with Ethereum. They've just registered a new Staked Ether Trust ETF in Delaware. And trust me, this is a big deal. What does it mean? Well, BlackRock ain't just looking to launch a regular spot Ethereum ETF. They're aiming for one that lets you stake your Ethereum. Now, for those scratching their heads, staking is pretty simple. Imagine you've got some Ethereum, and instead of just holding it, you lock it up to help secure the Ethereum network. In return for helping keep everything running smooth and safe, you earn some rewards, kind of like interest. It's putting your crypto to work for you. So BlackRock launching a staked ETH ETF means more people could potentially get involved in staking through a regulated product, opening up Ethereum to a whole new crowd of investors. This shows massive institutional confidence in Ethereum's future, not just as a digital asset, but as a productive one. This is not financial advice. And while BlackRock's making moves, let's talk about Bitcoin. We've seen some pretty wild price swings lately, some steep drops, But here's the interesting part. Bitcoin futures traders, they ain't capitulating. For those unfamiliar, capitulation in the market is when investors just throw in the towel, selling off their assets at a loss because they've lost all hope. It's a sign of extreme fear and often marks a market bottom. But these traders, they're holding strong. Even with major price corrections, they're not bailing out. This tells you something important about the underlying conviction in Bitcoin. It means the smart money, the strong hands, are still in the game. They're not panicking, they're riding out the storm. This kind of resilience shows that despite the volatility, there's a deep-seated belief that Bitcoin will bounce back. It's a sign that the market isn't ready to give up, even when things look a bit shaky. So from institutional giants like BlackRock diving deeper into Ethereum's utility to Bitcoin traders showing unwavering confidence during dips, it's clear the crypto market is evolving and maturing. There's a lot more than just hype driving things now. Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.